Sunikum. Welcome to 10th episode of AI Tools. Coming to hot AI Tools meetings, content, investing, and social media can easily eat up your entire day. In today's episode of AI Tools of the Day, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that help you work smarter, speak better, track markets, and create content faster. Let's get started. First up, Chronola. Chronola transcribes your meetings while you take notes, so you don't miss anything important. After the meeting, it generates clear summaries and action items, written from your point of view, not generic AI language. This is perfect for professionals who attend frequent meetings and want accurate follow-ups. And here's a bonus. Use the code TAFT to get a discount. Next, Hedy AI. Hedy is a real-time conversation coach. It listens during your meetings and gives live prompts, insights, and talking points. Think of it as a smart assistant helping you say the right thing at the right time. Great for presentations, interviews, sales calls, and important discussions. Now let's talk investing. MarketAlerts. MarketAlerts uses AI to monitor stocks and sends alerts about earnings updates, price movement patterns, guidance changes, insider trading activity. Instead of tracking everything manually, you get timely alerts that help you make informed decisions faster. Perfect for investors and traders. Next, the Influencer AI. This tool animates any static photo by transferring realistic motion and sound from a reference video. That means a single image can turn into a lifelike, engaging video. Perfect for creators, marketers, and influencers who want dynamic content without filming new footage. Last but very powerful, Socialpedia. Socialpedia learns your writing style from Instagram and other platforms. It then tracks trending topics and turns them into ready-to-post content, while keeping your voice consistent. This is ideal for creators who want to stay relevant without spending hours brainstorming posts. And that wraps up today's AI Tools of the Day. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI tools. Comment which tool you'll try first. Let AI handle the busy work, so you can focus on what really matters.